I thought I'd do an update on my houseplant I got from Walmart. About 6 months ago, for $7, I had Walmart deliver this fern. It was very small. There isn't anybody that comes to my apartment that doesn't comment on how nice the plant looks on the balcony. There isn't anything I can think of you can get for $7 that can update and actually beautify your apartment or house than a really good houseplant. Over the years, I've tried dozens of different plants to grow on the balcony. I've had some success with actually moringa trees, dwarf papaya, um, ginger, turmeric, parsley. Um, but ornamentals or non-edible plants, I haven't grown too much. But because they only get 2 hours of sun every day, there's not too much to grow out here. Plus, it gets very hot in the summertime, and it makes it actually an ideal condition for a fern. I put it right on this table on top of uh, my cooker, my my hot air fryer toaster oven, and my water distiller, and my workbench. But yeah, it when you come in the house, first thing you see, and Walmart delivered it for $7. It's no care. You just water it every couple of days. And when I use the toaster, I just remove it from the top. It's really takes makes a focus on the plant, so you don't see the rest of my collection of odds and the flotsam and jetsam that I need to get rid of. So I recommend highly you go on to the Walmart website and just have them deliver to you a $7 fern. If you have the right growing conditions, it really makes a difference. It's nice to have something growing alive in the house, and no maintenance, no pest. Grows like a weed, better than a weed, except you can't eat it. Hope this helps. Take care. See you out there.